Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing everything you need to know about PlayStation Network status. If you've ever faced issues signing in, playing online, or accessing the PlayStation Store, this video will help you understand why it happens and what you can do about it. PlayStation Network, commonly known as PSN, is Sony's online gaming service that connects millions of players worldwide. It was introduced in 2006 with the PlayStation 3 and has since become an essential part of the PlayStation experience, offering online multiplayer gaming, digital downloads, cloud saves, and streaming services. When PSN goes down, it can affect all these services, making it frustrating for players. One of the most common reasons for PSN going down is scheduled maintenance. Sony periodically updates its servers to enhance security, fix bugs, and improve performance. During maintenance, some PSN services may be temporarily unavailable. Another reason could be a server overload. When a major game is released or there's a big sale, millions of players try to access PSN at the same time, which can cause slowdowns or even outages. Cyber attacks, such as DDoS attacks, are another reason PSN might be down. Hackers sometimes target PlayStation servers by flooding them with traffic, making it impossible for real users to connect. While Sony has improved its security over the years, these attacks still happen occasionally. Sometimes the issue isn't with PSN, but with your own internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can make it seem like PSN is down when it's actually working fine. Checking your internet speed and restarting your router can help determine if the problem is on your end. If you're experiencing issues, the first thing you should do is check the official PSN status page at status.playstation.com. This website provides real-time updates on whether PSN services are working properly. If there's an outage, Sony will usually post an update explaining the situation. You can also check social media for updates. PlayStation's official Twitter account, @AskPlaystation, often posts about ongoing issues. Another helpful resource is Down Detector, a website where users report outages. If thousands of people are reporting problems at the same time, it's likely that PSN is experiencing a major issue. If PSN is down, there's not much you can do except wait for Sony to fix it. However, if PSN is working but you're still facing problems, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. Restarting your PlayStation console is a simple first step. Turning off your router for 30 seconds and then turning it back on can also help improve your connection. Using a wired internet connection instead of Wi-Fi can provide a more stable gaming experience. If you have to use Wi-Fi, make sure your PlayStation is close to the router to reduce signal interference. Changing your DNS settings to a faster service like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS can sometimes improve connectivity. Keeping your PlayStation software up to date is also important. Outdated system software can cause connectivity issues, so regularly checking for updates can prevent potential problems. You can do this by going to the Settings menu on your console and selecting the System Software Update option. Another reason you might be having trouble connecting to PSN is if your account has been temporarily or permanently suspended. If you suspect this is the case, you can visit Sony's support website to check your account status and find out how to resolve the issue. Even when PSN is running smoothly, there are ways to improve your overall online gaming experience. A faster internet connection can reduce lag and improve matchmaking speed in online games. If you frequently experience slow speeds, consider upgrading your internet plan. Some routers allow you to prioritize gaming traffic using quality of service settings. Enabling this feature can help ensure that your PlayStation gets the best possible connection. Playing at off-peak hours, such as early in the morning or late at night, can also provide a better online experience since fewer people are using the network. Keeping your PlayStation cool is another important factor in maintaining a stable connection. Overheating can cause performance drops and even disconnect you from online games. Make sure your console is placed in a well-ventilated area and clean the vents regularly to prevent dust buildup. If you're experiencing frequent disconnections, checking for interference from other devices can help. Wireless devices like microwaves, baby monitors, and even other Wi-Fi routers can cause network interference, leading to a weaker signal. moving your PlayStation away from such devices can improve your connection. Overall, PlayStation Network is a vital part of the PlayStation gaming experience, but like any online service, it can sometimes face disruptions. Knowing how to check the PSN status and troubleshoot common issues can help you get back to gaming as quickly as possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PlayStation tips and updates. Let us know in the comments if you've ever experienced PSN going down and how you dealt with it. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.